Hello friends, this video is dedicated to all the teachers. Though online teaching is not their comfort zone, they are giving justice to the noble profession of teaching. Someone rightly said about the teachers, though you wrote in black and white, you brought color in my life. One of the essential tools for online teaching is the pen tablet. Many pen tablets are available in the market. After doing a lot of research, I have selected the best pen tablet for you. Wacom 1xCTL672 is the model name. There are two sizes available, small and medium. I would recommend you to buy the medium size for larger surface area. The dimensions of this graphite tablet are 8.5 inch by 5.3 inch and is available in a combination of red and black color. I have purchased this online from India Webcom Solutions for Rs 6900. You can find the link in the description box if you wish to purchase. The pressure sensitive pen is lightweight, cordless and battery free. Just connect the USB cable to your laptop or desktop. Install the driver for smooth writing experience and you are good to go. I have divided this video into three parts. In the first part, we will see the unboxing of pen tablet, which would be followed by procedure to download and install the drivers for the pen tablet, and lastly we will learn about OpenBoard software, which works really well with the pen tablet. So stay tuned till the end. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to get technological updates and tricks for online teaching. Let us begin. This is the box I received after 3 days of placing the order. Let us open it. You can check the model number on the box, which is CTL672. The main box of the pen tablet is nicely wrapped in a bubble wrap for the safety of the device. The box is in red color, on which you can see attractive product placement of the pen tablet along with the writing pen. The product belongs to 1x Wacom series. I am really excited to see what is inside. Let us open the box. Wow! Here we have the first look at graphic pen tablet. Let me take out pen tablet and keep it aside. What else is in the box? Here we are provided with a pen, quick start guide, warranty card and replacement nibs. Let us check them one by one. This is the micro USB to USB-A cable for connecting it to your computer. In this Ziploc packet, we have provided with the 3 replacement nibs along with a ring to replace them. There is user manual along with warranty card, which is provided here. Finally, here is a pressure sensitive pen. You can see 2 buttons on the pen which can be customized for different operations as per your requirement. Also, the company name is embossed on the pen is visible. Let us remove the protective plastic from the pen tablet. This Wacom printed fabric slot is provided to attach a pen to the tablet. One end of the USB cable, which is micro USB, is connected to pen tablet and other end, which is USB-A, goes to the PC. The moment you connect USB cable to PC, white light on the pen tablet will glow. That was all about unboxing. Let us move on to installation of drivers and software required for pen tablet's smooth operation. In the browser, type wacom/start/1 and press enter. The first search here is about setup and getting started. Let me click on that. In the 3-stage setup process, we have already finished connecting pen tablet to the PC. Step 2 is to download and install the drivers. The driver is available for Windows as well as for Mac. I have clicked on Windows operating system of my PC. Accept the user license agreement. As you can see, the installation process has begun. This will take a couple of minutes. Once the drivers are installed, we are prompted to restart the computer. My computer is restarted and Pen tablet is ready to use. Let us talk about implementation and software required for the same. There are multiple softwares available such as Microsoft Whiteboard, Google Jamboard, Whiteboard Fi, OneNote, Bamboo Paper and many others. I prefer OpenBoard, which is an open source as well as free interactive whiteboard software, and it complements the Pen tablet when it comes to online teaching. OpenBoard is an essential tool for online teaching. It not only supports handwriting via Pen tablet but also allows us to add visuals, images, graphics and videos. This tool also allows us to write, draw, highlight, make use of laser pointer on the screen while presenting PowerPoint, handwritten notes, images or Word documents. The link to download OpenBoard software is also in the description box. Let me demonstrate Pen tablet's application via OpenBoard. Using a Pen tablet, you can write plain text, draw chemical structures, write mathematical equations, draw symbols and diagrams. In short, it is your virtual chalkboard. Your written pages can be saved to distribute to your students. I am enjoying my experience with this device during my online lectures. I am sure that the Pen tablet and OpenBoard software will make your teaching interesting and interactive. We will be dropping a detailed video on OpenBoard software soon. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get updates. Have a great time.